Now you will learn how you can safely make money with this bot. You will only need to calculate your deposit correctly. To start with, you need to trade on 20 to 25% of your deposit to make good money. How to calculate it correctly? You can click on the dollar icon right on the Pokey, and the percentages will come up and pop up in front of you. You can put 25% and you realize what it is, which is $63 in my case. In your case, it's going to be a little bit different. So I'll put $63 exactly on deposit, and that'll be 25%. I choose a pair with a good payout. This is very important. For example, British pound, Canadian dollar. I go to the trading bot in Telegram, click to get a new signal, choose this pair, and the time for the trade is 1 minute. I get a sell signal. I open a 1 minute sell trade right there for 25% of my deposit. Since the bot has a very large profitability of signals in the form of 83%, that is, 8 deals out of 10, you will close in the plus. Therefore, you cannot worry about your deposit and add risks. You can even open deals for 40 or even 50% of your deposit. This way, you won't risk anything in debt, and you'll make a very good profit. Unfortunately, the first deal I close in the minus, but let's not get upset. And then for the same $63, I will open another deal on the same British pound Canadian dollar. I'm getting a new signal. I choose this trading pair and the time for the trade is 1 minute. I get another sell signal. And right here for 1 minute again at $63, I go to sell. The most important thing is not to chase instant profit. You need to think in the long run you have a lot of profit that you can earn. The most important thing is to take your time and a very calculated approach to this business. A good deal brings me $50. The next trade I want to open at 30%, that's $72. I choose 72 bucks. I choose the trading pair euro dollar. I go to the bot in Telegram. I choose this pair and the time for the deal is 1 minute. I get a sell signal again. Right here I open a sell trade for $72. A great deal brings me $62. As you can see, I am already in a good plus. From 1 minus, do not need to be upset. The British pound dollar I want to open at 30%, which is $91. So I choose $91. I go to the Telegram bot. I pick the British pound dollar. Time to trade 1 minute. I get a sell signal again. I open a sell trade right there. You can trade with the same percentage. You will increase your amount per trade, but you will not risk anything. Your deposit body will be untouched. Thus you will earn more and more. You can calculate how many of 10 trades, all closed in the plus, you will earn if you trade on 30% of your deposit, which will grow with each trade. I earn another $71, almost twice I increased my deposit. I put 30% again, that's $112, and that was half of my deposit at the beginning of the video. I choose the trading pair dollar Canadian dollar. I get a new signal and the expiry time is 1 minute. I get a buy signal, and right there I open a buy trade for $112. As you can see, my balance is not touched, but at the same time I open a deal for $112. A very simple way to earn money and excellent risk management in combination with this bot. It analyzes the news on the pair for you, analyzes 44 indicators, so you can earn very well with it without taking risks. If you are afraid to trade at 30%, you can trade at 15%. A great deal brings me already $81, so I doubled my deposit and at the same time I did not risk anything. And already 30% of my deposit will be $137. So you can safely increase your deposit and do not risk anything. Just open trade for 25 or 30% very quickly earn, and accordingly, very quickly reach large sums. I will leave the link to this bot in the description. It is absolutely free. And if you have any questions, then be sure to write to the support account, which will also be in the description and in the attached comment. BoosterBot is absolutely free and works every day 24/7. Limits on signals he also has no, so use it and make money.